Are you ready to make your money work for you, even while you sleep? In the next few minutes, I reveal the top 5 passive income streams you can start right now to earn more money in 2023. I also share how to invest for passive income and explain why diversification and risk management are essential. So, if you're tired of trading your time for money and want to build wealth on autopilot, stay tuned because this video will change your financial future. The top 5 passive income streams. 1. Investments. Income from investments, such as stock dividends, interest from bonds, and rental income from real estate. This can provide a steady stream of passive income. 2. Business ownership. Owning a business that operates without your direct involvement can generate passive income. This could include e-commerce stores, automated online businesses, or rental properties. 3. Royalties. If you have creative talents, like writing, music, or art, you can earn passive income from royalties on your work. For example, authors receive royalties from book sales, and musicians receive royalties from their music. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Participating in peer-to-peer lending platforms allows you to earn interest on loans you provide to others. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs offer an opportunity to invest in real estate without direct property ownership. They often pay dividends to shareholders. Next, we discuss how to invest for passive income. Building a portfolio that generates passive income requires a strategic investment approach. So here are 12 things to consider to build your passive income portfolio from scratch. 1. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., to reduce risk and maximize potential returns. 2. Dividend stocks. Invest in stocks of companies known for paying consistent dividends. These can provide a regular income stream. 3. Real estate investments. Consider real estate investments, such as rental properties or REITs. Real estate can offer rental income and potential property appreciation. 4. Bonds and fixed income investments. Bonds and fixed income investments provide steady interest payments. Choose bonds with terms that match your income needs. 5. Retirement accounts. Utilize retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs for tax-advantaged investing. These accounts can help you grow your investments more efficiently. 6. Automated investments. Set up automated investment contributions to ensure consistent saving and investing, making it easier to grow passive income over time. 7. Managing and growing passive income sources. Once you've established passive income streams, managing and nurturing them for continued growth is essential. 8. Regular monitoring. Keep a close eye on your investments and income sources. Monitor your portfolio's performance and adjust your strategy as needed. 9. Reinvestment. Consider reinvesting some of your passive income back into your investments to accelerate their growth. This can lead to compounding returns over time. 10. Asset protection. Protect your passive income sources with appropriate insurance and legal safeguards. This includes insurance for rental properties and asset protection strategies for your investments. 11. Tax efficiency. Be aware of the tax implications of your passive income sources. Explore strategies to minimize tax liabilities while maximizing your income. 12. Diversification. Continue diversifying your income streams to reduce risk. As you build your passive income streams, aim for income sources that are uncorrelated to the economic cycles. Generating passive income streams is a fundamental aspect of achieving financial independence. It allows you to free up your time and reduce financial stress, enabling you to focus on what truly matters to you. As you progress on your journey to financial freedom, remember that building passive income takes time and careful planning. Keep your financial goals in mind and maintain a long-term perspective. Please stay tuned for part 3, where I share 10 passive income ideas and talk about the pros and cons of each. In part 4, I'll discuss the tax implications of passive income streams. In part 5, I'll share some common mistakes people make when trying to generate passive income and how to avoid them. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more financial insights to help you on your financial journey. Until next time, chase your financial freedom, one income stream at a time, and keep pushing forward, one step at a time, for the journey to your financial independence is worth it. Thanks for watching.